Where you at, Kel? Time to start cutting. Alright, I'm just pulling, I don't know what part this is, but it's like 2 days next. I'm pulling off the rest of this trim. Basically just gonna get rid of everything that we've gotten rid of on that side, on this side. So that way we could just start sanding this side down. We're just gonna disassemble all of this. Anything I didn't show you guys, I'll show you guys on this side. So that way you guys know what to do at home if you're doing this. So, alright, I'm gonna put the camera down. I don't think I ever showed you guys how to remove the door panels, but I already started. There's one in here, you pop this little cap thing open, and there's a little Phillips screw. Same thing right here. Boom. See? Mine broke, but you can still fit it in there. Or you just put it back in there. And then you take this one out. And you pop this. That's what it is. I forgot. You can lift this up. The control panel. You can lift it up after. That's what that's for good. And then you can take this little screw. It's another gold one, but this one's actually holding the whole panel up. It should just voila. Yeah, I know something just fell. I broke it. Yeah, once that comes off, you can take the door panel off. And it'll just come out. Now put your screws back in. We're on to removing the door handle. So you see that little 10 right there. Remove that one. And you gotta remove the one that's up there somewhere, which it looks like it's missing. Great. But usually you can just get it to right here somewhere. If you can find it. Maybe you gotta lower the window on this one. Yep, there it is. Just gotta lower the window. You can just open the door like you normally do. And then again, like I told you guys, if it's stuck, just spray a little WD-40 right here and it'll slide off. Just make sure not to lose any or drop anything in there, because closing your door sucks when there's no thing and then you have to figure it out. So yeah, that's basically it. Do the same thing to the back. I'm gonna go ahead and just bust everything out like we have on the other side, and then we'll catch you guys up. Okay, me and Angie took the hood off and the trunk. Saw the sanding, and it looks very sad when it's just sitting here. So I'm just gonna try and finish this door because it still needs a lot of work, believe it or not. This is what the car's at. Oh. Say hi to the subscribers. Today we're focusing on this right here. Still so much Bondo and all that. I got it pretty good up here. Just gotta work it down now, so that way, like I said, I just want a clean surface to where I know I'm at. We got Angie on the crazy cart over here. No, I wanted to show you guys this real quick. This side actually came off a lot easier than the other one. Took a little bit more of banging, but like it came all off in one piece better. The part that didn't really come off was right here, but that's fine. We'll just have to really sand that down. But yeah, I mean, everything else just kind of popped off. Now I just really got to sand this side and we'll be good. We'll be good to start cutting into it more and then getting that all welded up and seam sealed really nice. But it's going along pretty good, guys. Thought I'd give you guys an update for now. I got it down to a point where I'm feeling good. These aren't the flares I'm using, by the way. These are. Ow. That sucks. God damn it. Completely stuck. Oh well. Trash. Right here. I don't want to use any of this old nasty bent stuff. So, and hopefully, just hopefully, it gives us enough space to work with, which I think it does. So I'm not cutting too much. I'm going to use the Dremel so that way it's not as aggressive as like the cutter. I don't know, guys. I'm scared. I should have been scared the first time. All right, yeah, but that's the update on now. So if we start cutting, I'll record it so that way you guys can see. Yeah, that's all we have for now. My stupid chair broke, so now I gotta find something else to sit on. Yo, I'm actually proud of this cut. Not cut. Comprende? Oh, you can see safety first. Alright, yeah, that's the cut. Looks good. I'll show you guys an up close here. Can't tell me that doesn't look good. Like, that looks really good. I'm actually very proud of that. Alright. If you don't like it, fuck you. Just kidding. But I don't know what we're gonna do to close it. I still haven't figured that out yet. We will though. We're gonna make this thing completely seam sealed safely and looking nice. So, but I like that cut. It's not half crescent mooned or anything. Looks good. We're gonna get this thing to not rub. We're gonna be able to drive super aired out, I hope. Or at least like drive somewhat more aired out and not rub. That'd be great. Guys, I'm finishing up this video and I just noticed that rebuilding the Bugeye series is a little all over the place, and I'd like to apologize for that just because I was filming and I kind of lost track of which part went where, and I was kind of hopping back and forth from each sides. Also, as you guys saw, I broke those clips in the door. Like, as you open the door handle and the door panel. If you get, like, this kit from AutoZone, it's like $5. I'll show you guys in the next video. It's not $5. It comes with 5 pieces. If you guys get that, it saves you so much more hassle and you don't break them. So that's my bad. But, yeah, that's going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Smash that like button. It really helps me out a lot. Remember, we're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers for July. So if you haven't subscribed and you're watching the videos, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and it helps me out a ton. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me sing.